Hey guys, today I feel that I need to share with you one of my favorite coffee treats, and it's the amazing rustic butter biscuits. One day I want to enjoy them plain with apricot jam, the next day I want to add some lavender flowers and drizzle with honey, or maybe with homemade cranberry raspberry jam. I hope it's something you'll enjoy too. So let's get started. I simply start by mixing the dry ingredients, and it's the all-purpose flour. To that I add a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, baking powder and baking soda, and I mix and I set aside. You can elevate the flavor of your biscuit by adding 1 tablespoon of lavender flour. It goes so well with the flavor of the honey on top of the biscuit. And it's very important that all my wet ingredients are very cold. The butter, the buttermilk, and the egg. And I find that the easiest way to incorporate the butter into the flour is by grating your butter. When it's very cold, it grates very easily. And I would like to remind you that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so I hope that's helpful. Now I'm gonna incorporate the butter into the flour very gently and very quickly. I add a little bit of vanilla bean paste, a little bit of vanilla, the 1 egg, the buttermilk, and I mix. And I keep working quickly. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. The links are gonna be in the description box below. I mix with the spatula and the dough is barely coming together. It's a little sticky, and that's how I want it. I'm gonna dump it on a cold surface, and I'm working very fast here. And I'm gonna shape it, cut it in half, put 1/2 on top of the other, press it, shape it, and cut it one more time. I'm gonna repeat this process 2 or 3 or 4 times to have that layered flaky biscuit. I add flour as needed, but I don't want to add too much flour. I don't want my biscuit to be tough. Biscuits are usually round. I'm not gonna cut them into rounds. I like my biscuits to have an edge. I'm gonna cut them into squares or rectangles. That's just a preference, but you can always cut them with a cookie cutter into rounds. And before I pop them in the oven, I add a touch of cold butter on top of each biscuit instead of an egg wash. I bake for 15 or 20 minutes or until they become golden in color. Drizzle some honey on top. I hope that's something you're willing to try. These biscuits are so flaky and so good. I hope you give them a try soon, and until next time, bon appétit!